Welcome to my shop. My name is Steve. In one of my previous series on building a doll display case and stand, for the stand and the lower stretchers I used 6mm Dominos and mitered the mortise and tenon joints in the corners. And I've been experimenting with this because I've got the Hoffmann machine on loan, and I've said, well, maybe there's a different way to join those stretchers. So I've made a test joint here using the Hoffmann MU3 keys. These are 1/2 inch long and 7/8 inch square stock, and I'm going to show you how I did that as an alternative. So I'm at the Hoffmann MU3 machine now. I've got the 45-degree fence and the 90-degree fence removed. What I found, I tried to use this as a guide for this stretcher, but what I found was that this handle, the locking handle, was too close to the clamp, and I had to use a spacer, and it just wasn't desirable. So I've got these 45-degree inside fences, but I flipped them around to use the 90-degree side, and I've got this such that I can center my piece and cut the dovetail in the slots. So I'm going to end up using, I need the face side down for this. I'll just take this piece, which I think, yeah, that'll do it. And what I want to do is just make sure that my bit is centered. So I'm going to be using 1/2 inch keys, and I've got this set to where it's just under 16 millimeters deep, or about 5/8 of an inch. And I'm just going to measure the width. And, 8.8. 8.8. I'm not going to get much better centered than that. I've got dovetail keys cut from the face into the stretchers. Okay, so now that all my dovetail slots are milled on my stretchers, now I need to set up for the legs. I'll go ahead and get these legs. I'm going to do one side first. Now I can't use this stop setting over here to do the opposite side, so I'm going to have to move it over here to do the other corner. So let's just move this over here. Well, here goes everything. So this is how the stand base turned out with the W3 keys attaching the stretcher. I think it turned out pretty well. There were fewer clamps involved because the dovetail keys are self-clamping. Is it as strong as a Domino or a traditional mortise and tenon? I don't know, but it's plenty strong for this application. Before I went this route, I tried to break this sample piece after gluing, and I can't budge it. I'm putting as much force as I can on this, and it's not breaking, so I figure that's plenty good for this application. So it's just another method of joinery, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Feel free to post any questions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.